Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to create and sign up for a Netflix account. So let's get started. It is very simple, so follow my steps. First of all, you have to go and search for Netflix, then tap onto the first link. Now you have to enter your email address here, then you have to tap on to get started. Then you have to finish setting up your account, tap on to next, then enter your password. You just have to input your passwords and then you have to tap next. So this is as simple as that. Now you have to tap again next and choose the plan that's right for you, like which one you would like to add. Here you can see a monthly price $2.99, $3.99, 1080p and 4K plus HDR, which is basically around $10. Now choose the one you want to purchase. I will buy the premium one and then tap next. So now you have to enter your card number, expiration date and all the information it is asking for, and then you have to tap on to agree. Make sure that you have entered all the information here correctly, otherwise your subscription will not be validated. And after completing the needed informations, you just have to tap on to start membership. So that's it. This is as simple as that. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video. Goodbye.